Now the very important question that many people have is, अगर market ऊपर जा रहा है and market is hitting new highs, where should I book profit or when should I book profits, or how do I decide my exit decision? Now let's see it one by one. If you are an equity mutual fund investor, you should have originally planned it. If you have a goal maturing and the goal is nearing its maturity when you had originally invested, then that is why you should decide, and that is how you should decide to exit. If you are invested in stocks, then analyze your stocks portfolio very well. See your fundamental parameters and technical parameters to entry and exit, and decide whether any of these exit parameters are triggered. Now, assume if you have bought a stock from a trading bet perspective, then you may choose to decide, you may choose to exit the stock. If you have entered into a junk stock by mistake, कि अगर आपको ये 5 7 7 साल 10 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट करना ही नहीं था एंड आपको उसमें प्रॉफिट दिख रहा है या आपको इनफैक्ट इवन लॉस भी दिख रहा है, तो you may decide to exit it. The reason is, if the market is going up and if you are stuck in a particular stock and the stock is not moving, then that's when you may decide to exit the stock, because there aren't any buyers even though market is hitting new highs. Alternatively, what can also happen is, you have a stock allocation or a sector allocation which is already pre-decided. Because of certain stocks going up, or because of the market going up, or because of the sector performing well, you may see कि आपका जो stock allocation और sector allocation आपने जो allocate किया था, वो change हो गया है based on the current prices. That is when you may decide to trim, because you may be overexposed to certain stocks or certain sectors. So again, to summarize, if you are an equity mutual fund investor, you should not decide to, you should be ignorant of what is happening in markets, ignore the noise, ignore the markets, and decide to exit depending on your financial goal maturity or your requirement of funds, which is clearly dictated by your financial plan. If you have a stocks portfolio, your individual stocks and sector decisions should be depending on those stocks and sectors, on the factors that we already discussed. Let me tell you an important thing here. The problem is, आप प्रॉफिट बुक कर लेते हो, यहाँ पे ये नहीं समझता कि आपको वही स्टॉक सेक्टर या स्कीम में वापस कब री एंटर करना है. Because the issue is, no one can catch the highs and lows properly. So the problem is not when to book profit. The problem is, now that you have booked profit, and if you don't have a fund requirement, if you don't have a money requirement, where will you exactly re-enter? ये जो बाइंग सेलिंग और एंट्री एग्जिट का कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है, उसके वजह से समटाइम्स वी से दैट इट इज बेस्ट that if you have bought it as an investment for a long term horizon, 5 7 10 years, and if you don't have a fund requirement, or if your goal is not maturing as such, then just stay invested, because the India growth story will continue. Thank you so much everyone. I hope you guys found this useful. Please do subscribe to our channel.